So we're going to start the video in the back of the coach and work our way up front and out. This is the master bedroom. Lots of storage, including the closet, which has a safe in it and additional storage and racking. Washer and dryer are both functional and really handy while on the road. The bed lifts up, as all do in this type of coach. You can see all the storage under there as well. The underbed is where the dinette cushion is if you fold that down into a bed. Here are the bunks. Each bunk has its own TV and cabinet space. This is the restroom with the full size, or large anyway, shower and the fantastic fan up top. Nice tile and marble flooring and finishes. The beds, oh, there's the drawers down there again. The bathroom, when it's closed, is like this. I'm not very good at RV videos. Seems that would take some more practice than I've got. This bed is an air bed that folds out and puffs up. And right here in between the bunk area and the living room area is another sliding door like that, so that when you're in the bunk area you can also close yourself off and have some privacy from the children, or the children from the parents, I suppose. It's quite spacious. Now we're gonna walk out. Oh, and there's the control panel that controls all the lights. That's the sub panel. That's the main panel. There's your living room area. All the nice finishes, flooring. That's the dinette that's also convertible. Storage in the bottom, storage up top. The tray lights, another fantastic fan. This is a brand new induction cooktop, and the convection microwave oven as well. A dishwasher here that works great. Full size residential fridge, which I've added a lot of storage to so that you can keep your things nice and organized. In the driver's area, we have fully electric seat, electric window coverings, more storage, of course, storage everywhere you look in this thing. The passenger seat, also electric.